Hello guys, this is Trail Rider 570. Want to let you know I forgot about my videos. We had a bad storm come through and it's like in the single digits, and I did go for a ride today, but it's kind of cool. I got my headsets on because I'm actually on YouTube. So, but I want to appreciate everybody who's subscribed to my channel and is viewing my videos. You guys are all awesome. I didn't think I would hit the 407 mark this quick. I'm on my way to 1,000, and I'm gonna get 4,000 watch hours, of course, so I get the channel monetized. So, but I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and thank you very much for watching my videos and the nice comments. And it's you guys are all awesome. That's all I can say. Thank you very much, and I will see you in my next ride video, which will happen probably next day or so, I'm hoping. Um, like I say, I was out today. There's probably 9 inches of snow out here. It was okay, but it's also in like 70-degree weather, and I don't like to ride that but in that cold weather. Neither does my dog. So I'll see you later. Bye bye for now, and God bless. Bye bye.